Welcome everyone. The question is two short bar magnets N1S1 and N2S2 of magnetic moments 32 ampere meter square. So its magnetic moment is 32 ampere meter square and 27 ampere meter square. So its magnetic moment is 27 ampere meter square are placed as shown in the figure. Calculate the magnetic field at the point P. So if I just redraw this picture here, since the magnetic moment is directed from south to north, so let us redraw this picture. So this is the magnetic moment M1, since it is the magnet N1S1, so I can consider the magnetic moment M1, and if I denote this point as O2, then the magnetic moment M1 is 32 ampere meter square along PO2, we can say along PO2, and this point P is at a distance here and it is O1, so we can say O1P is 4 meter. Now this magnetic moment, that is S2N2, which is directed in that direction, this is the point O2 say, so this is O2P, and M2 which is along PO1, so M2 is equal to 27 ampere meter square along PO1. Now we have to find out that we have to write down the expression what is the magnetic field at the point P due to this M1 and what is the magnetic field at the point P due to this M2. So I am just writing down the expressions for equatorial position of a short bar magnet. Minus of mu naught divided by 4 pi capital M divided by r cube, M vector is here. So from this expression it is clear that is the magnetic field is opposite to that of the magnetic moment. Okay. So for this M1, the magnetic field at the point P is opposite to that of the magnetic moment, so B1 will be in this direction. Similarly, the magnetic field at the point P due to this magnetic moment M2 will be in that direction. Okay. So what is B1? Let us write what is B1. B1 is equal to mu naught divided by 4 pi, mu naught divided by 4 pi, M1 is 32, so it is 32 divided by the distance, here the distance is 0.4 meter, sorry it is 0.4 meter, 0.4 meter, and here this distance, that is PO2, it is 0.3 meter. Distance is 0.4 meter, so 0.4 cube. In which direction? That is along O2P, along O2P. So this is basically mu naught divided by 4 pi, this is 32, 0.4 cube, that means we can say into 10 to the power minus 3, and 4 cube means 4 into 4 is 6, 6 into 4 is 64. Okay, 4 into 4 is 16, so 16 into 4 is 64. This mu naught can be replaced, I am replacing here 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. So 64 and 32 cancels out and becomes 2, 4 pi and 4 pi cancels out. So this thing becomes 1 by 2 into, if it goes up then it will be 10 to the power minus 4. Then it will be 10 to the power minus 4, 10 to the power minus 7, 10 to the power minus 3 becomes 10 to the power minus 4. And 1 by 2 means 0.5. So it can be written as 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla along O2 P vector. Similarly, if I try to find out what is the value of B2, that is this one, due to the magnetic moment O2, magnetic moment M2. So this will be mu naught divided by 4 pi, mu naught divided by 4 pi. The magnetic moment is 27. Distance is 0.3 whole cube. In which directions? That is along O1P. So 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 divided by 4 pi, it is 27. 0.3, so it can be written as 10 to the power minus 3, 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 3 is 27. So 27 and 27 cancels out, 4 pi cancels out, so it becomes simply 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla. Okay. So I can simply write it down, it also 10 into 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla along O1P. So this is the B2. Now just say the B1 and B2 are perpendicular to each other. Since they are perpendicular to each other, so the magnetic field at the point P, that is BP, is obviously B1 squared plus B2 squared. So what is B1? B1 is 5 into 10 to the power minus 5, 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 whole square plus 10 into 10 to the power minus 5 whole square, this. So from here I can take this 10 to the power minus 5 outside simply. So it becomes 5 square plus 10 square. So 5 square plus 10 square, 5 square plus 10 square is 25 plus 100 is 125. Root over of 125 becomes, we can say, 25 into 3. So it is 5 root 3. So it is 5 root 3 into 10 to the power minus 5. Along which directions that we have to find it out, that is the magnitude of BP. So along which directions that we have to find it out. So if you say it is theta, then theta is equal to tan inverse B1 divided by B2. Tan inverse B1 divided by B2. B1 is 5, B2 is 10. So I can simply say it is 1 by 2. So it is tan inverse 1 by 2. So this is the direction, and it is the magnitude of the magnetic field at the point P in this configuration. Thank you all of you.